Yeah, man, welcome forward to the channel. And yo, me see everybody a bash doing about female Queenie thing. And all know Dewey no come out and say nothing, no. Everybody a blame Dewey and wish bad. I said them a pray bad prayer for Dewey. Them a call immigration, this and that. The woman them a go on like they never use nobody yet. Or for reach a foreigner, bet them life better or what. At the first man I go use a woman, me not say I use the lady still, no, but the woman them a go hard pan the man. I blame the man for nothing at all. For all know the youth no come out and say him and the lady left for what. Everybody just a say your papers the youth. Want to load the youth, man. No go on like you no use whole heap of man yam out man, the man jacket, all kind of things. Uno woman, don't easy, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, that's whole heap of love for the people them, man. Yeah, man, you can type on one type still, you see it. But stop so the youth I use it one with papers and I go pray bad prayer theme and them thing they like no woman who no have pitney and them thing. When pitney go do worse and than that to no youth not do nothing bad all now. And just all over the youth and thing, you see it. Post the youth never know say yo the woman that go mingle him up certain way and do certain things behind the scene where we don't know about and the youth uncomfortable with it. And just allow the youth, man. I know the youth now come out and say man the woman left for one and just a bash the youth. Man shop no soon start work over on the youth and thing. Some man who bash the youth still now a bad man and a bad man the youth. You see? Yeah, man, big up all of 4s, 5s, 3s, the whole place.
My house burned down accidentally. Nobody else burned down my house. My house burned down with a Yankee can go, the fear can go. What if mine can be? None of uno. God make me got teeth. For the world know me. God use people. So if God send me for dead when me are 52, like me are 52 now, and him forget somebody for the reason coming on straight for where me are straight. And what say? Me I gonna put you up. Panda something there when them kill us. My house burned down a year after. And the same place where we used to hang out, and they said them give me for live as my resident. And the December, I keep my birthday party. I was lady gangster. And I call myself Queen, but lady gangster. Some man I tell me about it not sound good. But on a phone journey, I not only it sound good to me. It sound good to me because I am a queen. I am a lady and I am a gangster. None of you can say about what this. My bagger loud. I'm all vagabond. But none of them can say my what this and kill this. Cause me not kill it. Me not want can bite it so till I don't know which man I want. When I love sweets so till I don't know which man I want. When I can't chat to me, girl man so I feel like so I can't take them way. That's why no fun will never get man. You hear that? So no allow me and my husband, make him not want me. I him come married to me. I'ma tell do it every day. You coulda look me and get me. You coulda court me and get me. God lead me in your arms. For the phone plum. So now come talk about life. Right now if you got a June plum tree at spring. Right through the air it's spring. So when it's not sweet it's sour. When it's not ripe, it's green. When it goes on and on. That's life. Mother nature. God knows I'm a nature woman. I'm a spiritual woman. I'm a gifted woman. So him lead me to the way. I'm a call Dewey and do it. You saw the world up and do it? Because God inspired me for that. Because him grandmother when he Mrs. Scarlett were dead and gone, Miss Birdie, me not know her. Him father, mother. I'm not come talk about family. My business with them who are alive when I like me. My business with them. The woman were dead and gone, we call Dewey when me not know from nowhere. I'm going to do life, we call Dewey. She named Mrs. Scarlett. That's Dewey's dad, mom. So she give me a blessing. So self. But me love me, Johnny Senator, exclude Scarlett. And none of them can block or shame me. You hear that? None of them can take me off of this. This is my journey. And God used me to take this platform to make a lot of it somewhere in our life. Because I inspire the world for all different reasons. None of them can block every style. I'm nice, I'm intelligent, I'm smart, I'm loving, Me cute, me good looking, me hot, me sexy, me awful, me disgusting, me horrible, me crazy, me no lazy, and it goes on and on. Me's a mother, me's a grandmother, me's a auntie, me's a niece, me's every nowhere. Spiritual, physical. Me, Johnny Sinister Esprit Scarlet. Oh, wait a blood. It's not about stage in your life. It's about living the way you want to live. And not for society. And not because you don't have certain posts in your life and certain position. Me not live for blood that. Me while I not dirt. Me dirty, take it anyhow. That's my power and my strength. Confident make any stand up. You hear that? No fun and have no confidence. And I grudge me for the little confidence. Gain some confidence. And love on the man who never appreciate him. And stop thinking for other people, man. To say, oh, we can't take Queenie man from her. Queenie not deserve the man there. Every tick of the bush. I me deserve to do as much. After doing no more than blessed every day about doing the one. Why do not think say me no one? It's do just get up now and get up and preach love, preach love, preach love. Life is a crazy thing. You hear that? And that's why I say crazy never. You don't have knowledge like me. Wisdom, knowledge, and understanding like me. You don't tell me say, no, can't fool me. Today a time fool. And still can't fool me. Look at that 1st of April fool. Pinch punch new month. I want to feel like. What do you think I'm going to hide and shame? And I'm not going to see me a double tap and I'm not going to run down the road. I'm still going to. Because I am me, Queenie. I am myself. And no other. Me just nice and loving on the car. And I just care when if one woman care sweet. So and then at the same time, I'm horrible. You know why? And that's my strength and my power. Do it through the light I give me. Please. I'm going to do it next space. That's my strength and my power. Problem right now, the cousin have problem, and the niece have problem, and the neighbor have problem, and the workplace have problem. When I come friend, I don't be moving it. Oh, where look up show, where they look up show, me so watch on the liquor. A ring, a rosy, the pocket full of. It's not no fear me. My there Walton Park Road, Brotherton Avenue when me younger, when me around 20. I met some bad boy in my yard and at the back of my yard. Some thugs. And we have one big. Miss Marcia R.I.P. Miss Marcia R.I.P. Miss Marcia have a big ackee tree in the yard. But when we sweep up the rubbish, them all, because you know Jamaica people like rubbish. England, them not do that. When we sweep up the rubbish, we like the rubbish of the tree. So each time the belly, it burn out the tree. So through the tree big now and it hooking, so it weak and it burn it out each time. Cut long story short. And me and them sit down on the veranda. And them hear something I go, so nobody knows that the tree are broken. And the 3 or 4 man running and lock me out, sit up on the veranda and move all now. Me no one normal woman. No terrify me. You hear that? From a little bit. I'm telling you this. Me have one brother with the America when he named Jason. And me and Jason grew up. Me and Jason was the outside one. And my stepmother have 6 pitney. You hear that? And me and my brother the outside one. I'm a woman in I'm older than my brother older than me. You hear that? Me. So none of them can't block me. I walk street without shoes and me a little girl. I can't walk up on my head. I can't tie out coat and cow. I comfort myself with any thing. When my father ready, my father pack up when I got in school. Them side of me I must be around 10, 12. Carry go and place at St. Thomas near need and pen. You walk front tree reach in a one little hut. And you sleep on some flower bag bed. Then call it hammock. Not for me. You hear that? Material thing comes and go. You see a art? Nobody can take that from me. It's the art you God give me. And that's why I'm a powerful son. And I eat in the window. See, take my power and you can't take my power. You hear that? My born special. My mother first pick me and her only daughter. And she can't stand me sometime. But she stand up for me. You hear the difference? She can't stand me. But me no business who wants stand me. Because my mom stand